call Big Daddy one. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Theo.
And it's Say.
So, yeah, I know it looked like we tired. We just came from the Usher. I just came from the Usher concert last night, so you know I was. Yeah, boo. Sing with me. She was good too.
That's my song.
It's 7 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top.
Cruising the streets.
You gonna say? Okay. Anyways, y'all. Anyway, I'm waking up. So I was thinking about doing something real old school. I seen my girl on social media. I'm like, what? I didn't know she was that old. I know that sounds rude. My woman from Mad TV, you know, the black lady from Mad TV, and I was like, Say would love this this little video I found. And I was like, let's go ahead and just see how it does. It's the lady that does Whitney Houston and all the other stuff.
And like Oprah and everybody.
Yeah.
The black lady, I forgot her name. I forgot her name, but I recently saw something on dealing with her on Facebook too, where it was like a whole bunch of pictures of her and like different shows and movies that she's acted in.
I think the video I seen, it might have been an old video, but it was like why she quit Mad TV. But we're gonna be reacting to her in Mad TV, and Shadow is just trying to knock with the camera, so
bear with us, you guys.
Please. All right, let's go and get into it.
Shall we?
This one is entitled Whitney Screws Up the Classics.
Okay.
Say love some Bobby and Whitney, but the whole family.
I love some Whitney Houston.
You don't love Bobby?
Like Bobby Christina?
You funny.
I sound like Bobby Brown. He's straight or whatever.
Man, let's go, Say. You're gonna disrespect the man like that.
We've all enjoyed music from the world's #1 pop diva, Whitney Houston. Well, she's back, and she's using her golden voice to bring us some great American classics with her double CD set, Whitney Screws Up the Classics.
What the world feel now is rust, passion rust. Oh yeah.
She got a good voice on.
Listen as Whitney screws up your favorite classics over and over again.
Who stop the music? Who told you stop? Bitch, who's gonna Hey Jay, you tell him Bobby's college fund is not for bail. I'm not playing. Smoking on the dock of the bay.
What?
I'm just smoking on the dock of the bay. Getting high.
You would think she would quit. Oh, but no, not Whitney. She's hot, and we've recorded her on a double CD collection. Listen as she screws up one song after another.
I didn't have no baby.
I need the one, baby.
Sorry, crap.
Come on.
Yo, I said fix it. Come on, let's go. That's right. Come on, y'all. That's good. I'm ready. Who's messing with me? Something.
Oh, thank you.
Over that rainbow. Lord. Where little bluebirds, they go flying high. What?
Girl, what?
Even her pimp, I mean her husband, gets into the act.
Oh no.
Like sweet mountain dew, dabba-dabba-doo. Like plain sea, you like Limburger cheese. I dedicate my life, I love apple pie. It was just a
Oh God.
to play with my feet. Wait, big. Bobby, you ain't had a hit in 10 years. Well, I'm about to have one right now. Girl, move out the way. Wait a minute. Don't you ever touch my body. No. Girl, what's wrong?
Oh no.
Older now, now to get your copy.
His little took over.
Up the classics.
Let's do this again. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all.
All proceeds will go to the Bobby Brown Baby Mama
Gotta go
Fund.
back to Jersey. Don't mess with my time. I got a baby. Let's go. Let's go.
Bruh, that one episode, I mean, not that one part where she had snapped real quick, it made me think about when we had reacted to her shadiest diva moments and all that shit.
Yeah.
And Whitney was just snapping. I was like, God damn.
Right, I didn't realize until we had watched that Shadiest Moments thing that Whitney really used to be getting everybody in check. Like, she, especially Whitney Williams, like, Whitney was trying to comfort her and she would shut shit down.
Yeah.
Whitney didn't play, but goodness, her voice was so amazing. So amazing by far. This was a good one.
This was a good choice.
Yeah.
I want one more. I want to try one more. If you see the one I want to try.
I do see the one you want to try.
And these are quick videos, so we're going to try it out and see if we're going to get blocked or not. But
right.
hopefully I still don't got no water on my face. The
sure
pets
that-
playing around. They about to knock stuff over. I know y'all seen me trying to redirect her from knocking down the stand.
Right.
Now she beating up Chico.
Well,
I do want to show you, but
yeah, not beating up per se, but they're just having a
nice little what's called spar session.
Something like that.
What
Y'all
she
really
wearing
just
now?
like waiting to pop in. But y'all,
Let me twist it. Ooh, I want to let me do it.
I was like, name your favorite Whitney Houston song. That's what I want to know.
Yeah,
I
do
really
that.
want to know. What is your favorite Whitney Houston song? I know I have so many. Like I said before, in plenty of videos. My mom, she used to play Whitney Houston, Toni Braxton, Mary J. Blige all the time. All the time. So just fell in love with it.
Yeah, I like when she sang the Good Times theme song too. Like when she killed that shit, she killed that in the thing. Fish don't fry in the kitchen. Say like, no, don't do it.
Not too close.
Yeah, alright. That's all y'all get to see.
Yeah.
Goodness.
Alright, y'all. We
All right.
out. Like, comment down below, subscribe, let us know what you think, and we will see y'all in the next video.
This is the first video. Gonna be doing about 7 of them today. Peace online. Let's go back.